Music. Welcome to my Clover.com Robo-Advisor review. Links are in the description. Clover.com is an Australian robo-advisor making investing simple and accessible, regardless of your experience. Built for convenience and automation, Clover creates and manages diversified portfolios tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Let your investments grow while you focus on other things. It's perfect for beginners and busy professionals seeking a hands-off approach. Onboarding starts with a simple online questionnaire assessing your risk profile, goals, and timeframe. Based on your answers, Clover builds a personalized portfolio using ETFs providing exposure to Australian and global shares, bonds, and more. Clover prioritizes diversification to minimize risk and maximize long-term returns. Automatic rebalancing keeps your portfolio aligned with your strategy, adjusting allocations as markets change. Clover's fees are straightforward, a flat rate based on your balance, with no hidden costs. This makes it affordable compared to traditional advisors. The low minimum investment makes it accessible even for small starting amounts. You'll also receive detailed reports on performance, allocation, and progress. While not for active traders seeking advanced tools, it's ideal for long-term wealth building without market complexity. In short, Clover.com is a practical robo-advisor for Australians wanting an automated, low-cost, goal-focused solution. Its transparency, diversification, and ease of use make it a solid choice for beginners and hands-off investors. Learn more in the description.